In this video, you'll learn how to swap ETH to SOL on the Phantom wallet. This guide will help you navigate the process step by step, ensuring a smooth transaction. Begin by opening the Phantom wallet application on your device. If you are using a browser extension, ensure that it is properly installed and logged into your wallet account. Once the wallet interface loads, locate and click on the swap option. This feature is typically found prominently on the main screen, allowing for easy access to trading features. Next, in the top field of the swap interface, you will see a drop-down menu. Click this menu and select ETH for Ethereum. This action will set Ethereum as the currency you want to swap from. After choosing ETH, move to the bottom field where you will select the currency to swap to. Click on this field and choose SOL for Solana. This confirms that you want to exchange Ethereum for Solana. Now proceed to enter the amount of ETH you wish to swap. Ensure that you check the amount carefully, as this will dictate how much SOL you will receive in return. Be mindful of any minimum swap requirements that may apply. Once the amount is entered, click on the review button to proceed. This will bring up a summary of the transaction, showing you the details of the swap, including any fees that may be incurred. After reviewing the transaction details, if everything appears correct, confirm the swap by clicking on the Confirm button. This final step will initiate the exchange, and you should see a loading indicator while the transaction is processed. Keep in mind that the time it takes to complete the swap may vary based on network conditions and the amount of Ethereum being traded. Additionally, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your wallet to cover any transaction fees. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.